Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to see some air-to-air pictures. These were shot between myself and a traveler back in 1994 and a tiger with the Maestres. We were flying from Brookville, Ohio up to Lansing, Michigan to go to a corn roast. So stay tuned for some more fun. So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. So anyway, there's going to be a lot of air-to-air photos here between the two airplanes back and forth as we flew from Brookville, Ohio up to Lansing, Michigan for a corn roast. So please enjoy these air-to-air photos. Most people never get to see them. And thanks for watching. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed all these air-to-air photos with a new paint job between two airplanes. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day flying your Grumman.